Hello and welcome to another video on this series. Now, basically, we've moved from market structure and we're going to be talking about point of interest. Yeah, everything is under market structure, under technical analysis, but yeah, new topic. All right, point of interest, POI. Simple call point of interest, area of value. Some people call it zone of interest. Depends on what you want to see. All right, whatever I name it works with it. But if I go in fully well to explain point of interest and concentrate on that blocks in today's video, I need to let you know that this tutorial is brought to you by PipSciX, and our sub number is +234 8055369615. And I, Investor Theo, will be your host for today. This video is dropped on our YouTube community directly for you to learn for free. So do want to definitely subscribe and check out the full playlist to understand full technical analysis and be a great analyst. Like and share. So let's proceed. So this is order blocks. I'm going to be dealing with order blocks under the point of interest. Now, I want to assume all of you know what point of interest stands for. So I'm going to explain it from scratch. So point of interest literally points that capture your mind, capture your attention, that interest you, right? But if you want to make it more technical in terms, you just know that there are specific points in markets that will pay attention to for the market to reverse or move from. All right. So basically, these are points, areas, not necessarily points, areas, zones to pay attention to the market for us to find our entering positions. All right. This is our points of interest. Can be for entry, some people use it to take profit or place a stop loss. Just know that this is what we deal with when we talk about point of interest. All right. And one of the points of interest we're going to focus on is the order blocks. All right. Now, so you don't think it's just the order block we have as something on our point of interest. We're going to talk about order block, talking about breaker block, talking about how to use your Fibonacci tool. I believe some of you know Fibonacci. This is it. This Fibonacci tool here. This is it. I'm already highlighting it over here. We're going to talking about how to use FVGs. That's your fair value gaps. We'll discuss mitigation and so much more. All right. So just stay with me directly on this series by subscribing and you learn more. All right, so we're going to begin our breakdown now with order block, as you already know, and we're going to talk about order block being the basics, one of the basic structures you need to understand. And we're going to understand order block as one of the basic points of interest you need to understand when it comes to the SMC. That's smart money concept. SMC, smart money concept. You definitely need to be smart to use order blocks here to your advantage. All right, so let's talk about order block. So what is an order block? An order block is simply a block. You can see there are several blocks on my screen, right? Although colored differently, but yeah, there are several blocks on my screen. Another block is simply a block that has orders. As simple as that. Don't complicate things. It's Forex. Another block is simply a block that has orders. So when you have an order block, you should be seeking orders in the market and then seeking how to make money from the orders with the order block. It's as simple as that. So let me just color this quickly so I can explain better when I get there. Cool. Now we have two types of order blocks. We have bullish and bearish order block. All right, bullish order blocks and bearish order blocks. So a bullish order block actually contains buy. This is the bullish order block. This is it. All right, it contains buy orders. This is it again. Right here. This is a bullish order block. Yeah, you're seeing it with red that shows bearish. Okay, but I'll explain better so you understand. A bullish order block contains buy orders. Buy a bearish order block. This is the bearish order block. All right, bearish order block contains sell orders. Now, what do I mean by this? A bullish order block is what sponsors the market to move to the upside. So it's what makes the market pump, go up. Right? That's what a bullish order block does in the market. And a bullish order block actually pushes the market all the way up. It's that simple. When dealing with a bearish order block, you need to understand that bearish order block sponsors the markets to the downside, which means makes the market move down. Right? It pushes the market down. That's one thing a bearish order block does. Once again, take notes. An order block is simply a block that has orders. It means there are many buy orders inside this block. So once the buy orders are in and the market wants to work with them, it makes the market go the way up. Right? For this other aspect, there are many sell orders here, and this way after this, see sell movements. As simple as that. So I'll be using these examples here to explain better. So you see from this first one, this is the first example we have here. All right. The source candle, this is what we call the source candle. Okay. This candle, these are source candle. All right. I'm going to be using it as a starting line for drawing our order block. All right. This source candle is a bullish order block. Now, this is the source candle, right? And the other block going to be drawn from here. This is how you draw it. You pick it from here. I'll teach you how to draw properly soon and draw it out. The source candle, this is this candle where I started drawing from, right? In a bullish order block, the market going up is a bearish candle. Take notes. I'm just going to teach you this basic aspect here, but we will learn later on as we keep on going with the series. But for beginner's sake, just know this. The source candle in a bullish move, in a bullish trend, is a bearish candle. This is why it's called red. Once again, you're going to learn, but for now, learn this so I can understand better as we keep on going. Right now, what you need to also understand, Flo, is the fact that if you come to the bearish aspects, bearish move, the source candle for a bearish order block is a what? Is a bullish candle. This is this green one. As simple as that. Now, you need to also understand that whenever you see a break of structure, that's the BOS. We've talked about this in our previous video already. Okay, you need to know that an order block is usually, in fact, an order block is left behind because that's where orders are coming from. Order block, right? So whenever there's a break of structure and a possible break of structure, there are usually order blocks left behind for the markets to go to collect orders and keep on moving. All right, Forex is very, very basic. We'll even learn more as we keep on going, especially when we get to liquidity. All right, now that we've marked out these other blocks here, I'm going to be teaching you how to use rectangle tools. This is your rectangle tool on charts. This is it, rectangle tool. Let me zoom out and show you how to get a rectangle tool. So you come under the tools, this geometric shapes aspects. You might not see rectangle there first. You might see it as brush. And scroll down to shapes, click on rectangle, turn it on to add it to your favorite. If I turn this off, as removed from here. If I turn it on, to add it to my favorite again. All right, so this is my rectangle tool, and I want it to be at the front because what I usually use. So yeah, so that's how to get rectangle tool. So let me go back. So basically, this is rectangle tool, and this is what we utilize, right, in marking up our charts. That's for the order block. Okay, if you've been following me, you will understand for well that I use my custom made colors. This is my color. You know the brand. The brand works with more of magenta, works purple. Just get my point, okay? It works with that kind of color, right? Something dark blue, we just walk around those colors. So basically, I custom my own charts to fit this, and this is looking like this. All right, I wanted to custom candlesticks too, but I was like, yes, let me not confuse newbies. Let everybody still work with these candles, so they easily get it. So basically, yeah, this is the custom rectangle. You can also do that for yourself. All right, so let's go straight. How to mark out the order block. The very, very simple way some people mark out order block by just marking it up as the bearish candle before this bullish move. This bullish candle here is bullish candle, and it's usually called the engulfing candle exactly. So this is a bullish engulfing candle, and this is other block. So under block is usually found when you see another block, you know that okay, there's usually a bullish candle over there after the other block, and then you know that oh, this validates that there's an order block over here. Okay, so a bullish move after it. Now this is the other block. How can you mark it up? You can mark it by literally, let me delete this so I can mark it with you here. You can mark it by literally picking up the rectangle tool and come to the tip of the block, taking it to the bottom, and then drawing it out. This is literally how you mark up your other block here. You can also mark it up here for the bearish move. All right, so for this other aspect here, you're just going to pick the same tool, pick it from here, top of the candle to the bottom, and then draw it out. Basic strategy view, this is going to be as easy as this. It's that simple. Okay, so now we've explained how to get our order block drawn. Next aspect will be, in fact, I don't think I'm done with this. I still have case 2 and case 3. Oh, let me use this. Let me use this here so I don't confuse you. Okay, case 2 and case 4. I wrote case 3 2 times, so this is case 4. And no one told me this on time. Yeah, this case 4 basically. So this case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. So yeah, let's proceed. So I've explained with case 1, case 2 how to draw your order block. Now this is case 2 and case 4. They are different. And see case 2 has a wick over here. Case 4 has wick over here. Some candles have wicks, some candles don't, based on the orders we see there, right? And based on how the bulls and bears fight. If you have not watched our consolidation strategy, I dropped a video on that to understand more about bulls and bears. So yeah, this is the rectangle to click on it. How to draw here, you pick the order block, all right? You don't stop here. You draw it down to the wick and then you draw it out. This is how to mark up your order block when you see a wick, right? You drop from the start of the order block down to the week. The liquidity clear candle, that's best way of putting it. Liquidity clear candle, because this candle cleared all the liquidity around this region. There's liquidity money around this region. This candle cleared it. That's why it's called liquidity clear candle. As simple as that. Right? Same thing you do over here. Okay, sorry, over here. This is the one with the week. So since there's a week there, you just come here, pick your block, take it from here, cover the week, and voila, you have your order block drawn. It's as simple as that. I hope it's clear. So now, how can you use this order block to trade? If you are going in for a buy position with this order block, you're expecting the market to come back here to the order block, yeah, and then you're looking for to take market all the way up, right? So if you do something like this, you pick your buy position two. Let me show you how to get position two, F11. This is for position twos, right? So you click on this forecasting and measurement tools, click on it, long position, short position, out of favorite. I said earlier. So back to F11 and make it full. So now I have our position tools. These are buy, that's our long, this short, these are sell. So we are going to buy first. So you click on it, make sure your position to this cursor, you can see this already, right? The cursor is directly on this other block. Click on it. You can see my position tool is also customized. Now the hash for my own stands for stop loss, and the colored, I call it colored blue right now because the blue color that I reduce transparency, right? Dark blue, almost purple, that reduce transparency to form this. Okay, so basically you do this, you can stretch it from the edge and take it up. So basically this is your other block here, but this is your stop loss. So your stop loss will be directly beneath the other block and take profits here. For Euro USD, I usually trade 1:3.5, 1:5 within that period. But I don't go anything beneath 1:3.5. Sometimes some traders might want that to be 1:3, but it depends on you. But don't just go too low with your RR because that's where your edge in the markets can maximize from too. All right, so yeah, 1:5.34, that's the cool. Just mark target the next liquidity or work with your RR and make your money. So these are to enter a buy position over here. It's that simple. Now, here again is another buy position. This time around, you do the same thing. You're long two, enter from here, okay, and then target it up. Remember, the other block will be utilized when if the break of structure has already occurred in markets. After a break of structure, you start seeking other blocks to work with. I believe you watched our break of structure video. If you haven't watched our previous videos, you see me always referring to them, and I can't repeat the same thing in this video. So please watch our previous videos. The playlist is there, technical analysis playlist, full course for beginners. Even if you're not a beginner, this will help you out fully, right? So help yourself make money with it. All right, so this is the sell segment over here. This is where the market reverse back to the POI. These are point of interest before coming all the way down. So when we are looking at something like this, we'll be using the sell. Remember, place it at the exact position you want to sell. Adjust your SL and target your RR. We're targeting 1:5, not targeting 1:5. Your SL should be beneath the other block. Some people have their rules for placing your SL. You can use Fibonacci to help you place your SL. You can use next liquidity level to place your SL. All these concepts are there. We learn more as we keep on going. Understand? You learn more as you keep on going. Yeah. So let's go to the next aspects. This is the last one. So I'm just going to show you how to enter your sell position here too. You come here, test it here, and then use this to make your sell. Alright, your SL is directly above this. I don't think it's showing well. Let me check. So I can show you the SL, and then the RR shows here. So good. I don't know if some of you are seeing this. This is the RR risk slash reward 5.05. This is the RR. So what you risk is this. What you get is this. You get. So we'll talk about that in future videos, but it's going to be inside the videos just like this. So make sure you stay tuned. Okay. All right. Let me just do this so I will understand because we can't move forward without RR. So when you talk about RR, you need to understand that you're risking one part, okay, to get the other part. So you're risking one part to get here, we are risking one to get five. So which means they are gaining 5 times our loss whenever we win. So you can see how good RR is. And you have 40% accuracy strategy, or even if you are having a 30% accuracy strategy, you are still good in markets. So you'll still be in long run profits. I'll bring down calculation in future videos. So stay tuned. Okay, so basically I've explained the bullish method and the bearish method of marking our charts. I believe you understand fully well that the order block is very, very important and very, very powerful. whenever you think about order blocks, have it at the back of mind that you are looking for an engulfing pattern, or a golfing pattern. It might not be showing as engulfing on your current time frame, but it might be very, very strong on your current time frame, and that'll be a great confirmation. A golfing candle pattern. Just take note of that. You're looking for that when you see another block. Another block is not necessarily like this or the same color, but I don't confuse you now at this stage. I just want to understand it as basic as this. And let's keep on going. I'll explain better. Right? Indecision candles can also be other blocks. Candles that you see sometimes, you see candles like this in markets, and then they look like this. Your dojis, yes, your dojis are other blocks, right? They are strong order blocks because the market fought here and means there are a lot of orders in these candles, right? So this is an order block. Your pin bars and likes, they are other blocks. So this can also be less than order block. These concepts we will explain more as we keep on going with this series. Just want you to stay tuned and understand better. All right. So basically, I have an assignment for you before I leave, which you're definitely going to do, and send me your results on Telegram at investor Theo, right? At investor Theo on Telegram. So basically, go to your charts and look for order blocks, as many as you can find, and let me know if you found it easy, interesting, insightful, or you found this magical to make profits with, right? Or that is the world miracle, SMC. So basically, do your assignment and also let me know. If you encounter any issue, let me know in the comment section. I'll do it to respond to your comments. All right, so this is the end of the series on the point of interest with the other block, and you actually gained from this video. Do subscribe to this community so I can follow up on this series, like this video so I can continue supporting movement, and share with others so they can also learn how to trade forex profitably. See you in the next. Peace.